Hi guys, welcome to your 30th tutorial on xhtml, and in this we're going to have a quick look at classes. Classes are used as identifiers basically, right? So you can use the same class name for anything. You can use it for a paragraph, for a header, whatever, and you can then style it in your style up here. Now in this one I got two classes. One is called you, one is called them. Now to actually work on CSS with your class, you put up here dot the class name. So it's dot u, and this one here is dot dem. If you run that in Firefox, this is what you will get. Here's the colors you're going to get. And just to show that it does actually work here, we will now change this one to green, and we'll save it. We go into our Firefox browser and we refresh the page, and voila, there you go, you have green. Now the difference between classes and IDs is that in IDs you can only have one ID per web page, where with classes, as I said, you can use the same class name. And just to show you here again, I'm going to put in P, and we'll go class is equal to U. Okay, and we close it off and we put in this will work, I promise you all. Okay, put my lovely punctuation marks there just to make yourself look great. So close it off here, we'll save that, right? And before we activate that, we'll go in here and we'll have a look at what we've done. Right, so we save it, we'll go up here and refresh the page. Voila, you see, there we go, red to red. So what we didn't have to do is to put in U again. U is here already, we've already given it a color. Now we can change that color and go for blue, just to show everybody that it is actually doing what it's meant to be doing. Okay, so if I go back into my browser and if I refresh my page, voila, now we got blue. So there you go guys, that's what a class is. You can use a class, same class name for numerous different items, but with IDs you can only use one ID per website. So I hope you enjoyed this. Any problems, any questions, just drop me a line. Thanks guys, see you then, bye bye.